Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. In this video, we will learn planets' name with their detail. Number 1. Neptune. Neptune is dark, cold and whipped by supersonic winds. Giant Neptune is the eighth and most distant major planet orbiting our Sun. Number 2. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in the solar system after Jupiter. Number 3. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. The surface of Mars is orange red because it is covered in iron oxide dust, giving it the nickname the Red Planet. Next one is Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun, making it 93 million miles away from our Sun. Mercury. Mercury is the first planet from the Sun and the smallest in the solar system. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It has dense atmosphere of all rocky bodies in the solar system. Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. Last one is Uranus. Uranus is one of the two ice giants in the outer solar system. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.